few rocks. First run. Oh, fuck. Aim for the tower. It's 4:37. Oh, there's rocks right there. Let's avoid it. Ooh, this is nice. Thanks. Say hi to the camp. Well, there was a sign there. Did you read what it said?
It just said it's not controlled.
Not controlled.
I'm willing to go for it.
I see tracks. All right, fuck, let's go for it. Let's just stay together. Oh, there we go. Good here. I think we go right, TH.